Okay, we about to do bad bitch makeup. So you gonna dab this white stuff, not no nasty white stuff, but the good white stuff. Then you gonna rub it in, cause we don't like no ashy bitches, no ashy bitches. Ashy bitches don't get in the club. Now you gonna put this on your eye. You gonna dab that shit too. Then you gonna smear it like yeah, bitch, yes. Now we gonna do the gold color. The gold is when I'm gonna take your fucking nigga. Bitch. You gonna smear it in at the tab. You gonna do both. Then that color gonna make bitches mad. Mad bitch. Now we're gonna do this color at the tab. Make sure you do both eyes so you don't look beat up. Now, bitch, you gonna like the wing. You know the wing, the me versus you, bitch. I'm fucking me, bitch. Now you gonna put that fucking color at the tip of your eyebrow. Then you gonna put this shit on. It gonna make you look greasy, but it's good, bitch. It's good. I promise, bitch. Now you gonna pat it in. Gonna blend it like you bitches supposed to blend your weave. You gonna blend the makeup, bitch. Blend the makeup. Now you gonna put this shit on. So you don't look greasy like no fried chicken. No greasy bitches. I can't stand a greasy bitch. Now you gonna put this shit on like you a fucking warrior. Ready for war, bitch. War at the club. Put it in your nose, bitch. Blend it too, bitch. Remember, blend your weave, blend your makeup, bitch. Yes. Taking somebody nigga tonight. I don't know what the fuck is that cocaine? Bitch, just smear that cocaine and just wipe it so nobody know that you a fucking blowhead. Just wipe it away. Oh, you fucking cokehead. Now, bitch, just put this shit wherever the fuck it is. Just put it on. Make a nice cheek. Then you just put that shit down here. Put it on your fucking nose, too. And whatever the fuck. Oh, this blush. See, I know what the fuck I'm talking about. Blush. Yes, bitch. Blush. Natural, bitch. Look natural. Now, whatever the fuck this is. This on your lip? Oh, never mind. Yep, put that over the blush. Make you look fertile, bitch. Fertile. Niggas love a fertile bitch. Yes, yes, bitch. Look at you, Katie. You go, girl. Now put that on your nose. Is that the same product? Okay, yep, it's the same shit. Now put on your fucking lip. Ew, bitch. Ew. Alright, where the fuck this is? Just spray it on. Not too much. You don't want to look like no fucking sweaty bitch. They don't like sweaty bitches. Whoever the fuck that is. They ain't Kylie shit though. Alright, push it up, bitch. Push it down, bitch. Alright, what's next? What's next? Hurry the fuck up. Alright. Oh. We got the Ratchet bitch lashes. Ratchet hoe. Clip it on. Not them fucking shits that look like brooms. Keep it classy, bitch. Keep it classy. We like classy shit. Alright, hurry the fuck up. Next step, please. I don't know what the fuck it is. Just put it on. Oh, yeah, lip gloss. You gotta pop. And now we gonna add on the great value Kylie lip Jenner. What the fuck? You know what I mean? It ain't Kylie. That's all I fucking know. And now we done. About to go take somebody, nigga. I got a man, but I really want yours. Hey. Then you gotta be like, hey niggas, I see you. Then you gotta wave like, hey. Oh shit.